In this video, I'll show you how to access Vercel environment variables step by step using the web dashboard. Start by clicking on your project from the Vercel dashboard. Once the project overview page loads, you'll see your deployments and settings displayed. Click on Settings in the sidebar navigation. The settings page loads with various configuration options in the left menu. Click on Environment Variables in that sidebar. The Environment Variables page loads with an Add New form at the top and a list of your existing variables below it. Scroll down below the Add New form to view all your environment variables. A table displays variable names, which environments they're assigned to, and action menus for each one. If you need to find a specific variable, use the Search Input or Environment filter above the list. Type in the variable name or select an environment, and the list updates to show only matching variables. To view or edit a specific variable, click the three dots to the right of the environment variable name. A context menu appears with options like Edit and Delete. Here are three important things to know. First, sensitive values are stored securely by Vercel and cannot be viewed later in the dashboard once saved. Second, changes to environment variables only apply to new deployments. You must redeploy your project for the changes to take effect. Third, for local development, use the Vercel CLI command, vercel.env-pull, to download your environment variables to a local.env file. That's how you access Vercel environment variables